Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through fixing the error in VMware Workstation that states, "This virtual machine appears to be in use." This is a common issue that many users face, and I'll walk you through the steps to resolve it quickly and effectively. So, let's dive in. The error message can pop up unexpectedly, often occurring when there's a power outage or if someone simply turns off the computer without shutting down the virtual machine properly. This issue can leave your virtual machine in a suspended state, making it inaccessible. You could try fixing the issue by pressing the Take Ownership button. This may not resolve the problem completely. It's important to note that when a virtual machine is running, you can go to the Settings and navigate to the Options tab. Here, you'll see the Working Directory section, which shows the path to the files associated with that virtual machine. It's important to note that when a virtual machine is running, some temporary folders are created, specifically folders with the .lck extension. These lock folders prevent access to the virtual machine if the system is not properly shut down. After you close or suspend the virtual machine, those temporary folders should ideally be removed automatically. However, if they persist, they may need to be manually deleted. This is often necessary to resolve issues related to the error message about the virtual machine being in use. To fix the issue, simply delete any .lck folders if they are available. After that, select and start the virtual machine by clicking the Open button. The virtual machine should start without any issues, and the error message will be gone. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.